Hello, monkey! Let's see. We did a lot of things. And now we are where we wanted to be. Maybe some couple of weeks ago, but that doesn't matter. We solved other things. So now we have to tackle this rather hard task. We have to restart and go through things and see how the game works, I guess. And for me it is something hard because this is not a new game for me. So I am not using this game like someone who would start it from the beginning. But that doesn't matter, since this is still like pre-alpha. The game will change. And what we now want to do is, if the little demo we're doing right now can be played in a way where it is not a hassle, where it's kind of fun, you know? Where it doesn't feel too much alpha. So it will, of course, always feel like alpha with all these graphics. Why is that red? Kinda reddish. Interesting. But for me, right now, what I want to do is go somewhere, play the game, and then don't feel like, oh, this is unfair, or oh, this takes way too long to level. So, well, let's see. Right now it should be pretty simple in the first level here. Should also take notes on things that we see and think it's strange. For instance, when it's landing, it's ignoring me. That is maybe something we should write down. And I know exactly why that is, but still. Another thing. So, to kill these, it's pretty easy for us. But we should maybe get rid of this. Because this is like not the Orplings we would have in the normal game. Start out with one Orpling or something. So we have to reduce the Orplings count of the enemies too. Maybe I should make a new level, and this level is like a test environment. Let me check some messages real quick. Alright, so first things first. Where do we do that again? The game modes? Something? Where was that hard-coded part? Was it in the controller? Game controller or world controller? Let's see, there we go. This thing. All we need is this guy. And we added a slimy too. I guess in the real game, you're going to choose two from any combination, I guess. Maybe you can also take something random or something. We'll see. Maybe I should write that down. Level 1, that's correct. The ability is probably too strong. That we have to change. Maybe I need another power plane. Okay, let's think. Let's write things down first. This is something we should tackle. What else? I mean, first thing is we disconnected from here. Go in here. So these two are okay, kinda, but we need now two orplings that are not that highly decked. Now this guy is fine, he has only crystal and the neutral attack, which is correct. But we need a new Tomati. This is fine. Probably not fine. Let's see how far we can get with these, but we also need to whatever. One shields. I think it should get more damage. I'm not sure. And this attack is probably too strong. I should make a trial orpling to get this attack. Oh, hello, Scene. Sorry, I didn't pay attention. I was writing things down and everything was full screen. I'm doing fine, and the project is also doing fine. I'm right now at a phase where I'm now playtesting for a milestone. So I want to polish as much as I can on the gameplay side, so I can give it to someone to play, so he doesn't think it's completely garbage right now. Because as you can see, this is like this first level. I can just swipe the floor with them, and there are so many waves. That's not correct. That shouldn't be. How are you doing? Okay, so let's note down some more things. Lose nation before this screen. Something after. Change, healing, damage, etc. Make move. Link. Remove from starter. Okay. Yeah, right. I know, but in my case, it's not even that. In my case, I just threw in things to test. I didn't even think about challenges. So yeah, it is already challenging, but as you said, I need like push over encounters right now for level 1. So for that, firstly, our overpowered Orblings need to get nerfed. This attack is too much. Oops, that was the wrong one actually. This can stay. This guy. He gets the normal fire attack now. Which means now it will be extremely hard to beat the first encounters. I mean, not extremely, it will be just long, extremely long. So for that, should I create a new map now or later? Is there anything else I can test right now? No. Let's go ahead and make a new worlds. I don't even remember how I created world maps. I need to see. But this thing here, maybe I can just duplicate this and then edit. This should be not the first map anymore. This is like a developer map now. Let's copy that over actually. This is dev world. We go in here and edit things. Let's see. My editor. I think this part needs to disappear. These are automatically generated ones. If I delete walls, they will disappear. I think this is also something that needs to go. This can maybe stay and then we can add or something. This something neutral. It is for AI, correct? I'm not sure how I will implement it in the way that it will be a random thing that the Orpling will get, but the two values go into a table and then you can get the priority of attack of the Orpling. You can imagine it like this. You have like always these slots here, right? There's always 3 slots in the front and 1 in the back. 1 here. And then the enemy also has it, whatever. And then there is slot 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the shield thingy. The shield thingy has always priority if your attack can't go through it. After the shields, your Orpling needs to kill these things before it can attack this, or especially this one. This one protects 4. So, depending on the feelings and personality, maybe your Orpling will attack this one first, and then the third one, and then second one, and then go to 4, or it will attack 2 first, then 1, then 4, and so on. They don't, but there might be ability that could be something that makes them to jump there. They will have like 4 or wait, they will have like active skills for the offensive things and whatever, but they will also have some passive slots that give them a special thing, which could be one of these things. It could be also like immunity against poison, or it gets more XP, whatever, something like that. But that is like a future monkey problem. So yeah, basically it determines which one is to prioritize if you have an attack that is single use or single target. And there are a lot of possibilities. I'm not sure if I have the table already created. Target, ability type. Let me see if I have a data table for the item here. Orpling shop, no. Hang on here. Actually, I could go into battle system and see. Attack pattern, there it is. So yeah, here it is. Drilled focused is in order 1302, for instance. Or if you are erratic and happy, then it is 1203. I put some kind of concept for that. I didn't cover every single possibility, but most of the possibilities are covered here. And there is also a special targeting thing here on the other side. But yeah, the idea was to have the number 6, because in my game number 6 has many meanings. So it would be sad if I needed to make this table bigger. We will see. Maybe I can make it 3-dimensional or something. But then I will have so many slots. So maybe I have to double things. On the funny thing here, the 3D thing just came into my mind by talking to you, so thank you for that. It might be a good idea to make this 3-dimensional if I need more. Where's my little... there. This should be deleted. Oh my god. Where's north? Here we go. This should maybe stay. Yes. Okay, normal assets I need to delete per hand. When I add an asset, what happens? Forgot. Do I save it anywhere? No, I just spawn it, so I can also just delete it. And just go on and select it. Delete. So let's go to hexagons. Delete walls. Create walls. Need to clean up this little path here. What is this? Medium, 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 small. Advanced. Medium, medium, small, medium, and add. What else? I guess the small part we don't need, actually. This part is not necessary. Like this. Medium. Medium. Nope. Oops. This. Well, this is then just flat grass. This cave needs to disappear. How is this? How do I create these caves? I forgot. So it's medium, medium, and nothing here. Add. Delete. Add again. Ah, okay. So if I just make a way there, like this. No, we need to actually tell it that there is a cave. So was it here thing? No. I think it's in here somewhere. Sadly, we don't have any caves anymore, so I back, but I can save and go to another map. One. Okay, so let's see. Ah, here. Cave. So... maybe I didn't automate it yet. It's fine, we don't need it right now. Okay, then level 1 is created again. Just need to add our little thing here. Okay, I think now the map layout is simpler. Now what we have to do is make the orplings a little easier. Now, one of the problems I have here is this system with the Arpling clusters is extremely old, and I have now more knowledge of making things more streamlined. So at one point I might want to make a tool to create swarms. Because right now I need to go into a swarm and then edit that. I believe it's not here, but in the cluster itself maybe? Where was it? Okay, here I just set the things. This is the cluster. Okay. Is it this one then? There must be a button somewhere. Add more orplings and so on. I need add orpling. Here it is. Call an editor. Default. In here. Why is it not? Here's the default. Why is it so far down? What happened? Animation and so on? Why is everything in front of it? Is it because of the character movement and so on and whatever I added here? Because since I added here, I never needed to make another swarm. So many things. Okay, so we have... Wait. We have a lot of things in here. Means I have to go in here and delete orplings. Activation energy 24 is probably also too much. Island Swarm for reward table. What is this? Empty. There's nothing. It's not readable, not so good. And I'm not sure if refactoring this will be easy. None. What is this? Wait, this is not correct. It'd be like this, right? My item system is very bad. Really not good designed right now, because I had a design before and then I encountered a problem, and now the data structure has too much information for one type and cluttered and whatever. Not optimal, sadly. If I want to check what item this is, I would need to find the table for the item. Item lists. Healing item. MP healing. Battle heal. Drop chance is pretty high. Maybe not so good. I want it to be rather rare. Probably even too high here right now. They all that. Anyway, we have to this 3 tomates, and this one is maybe 2 tomates. It's bad that I cannot just switch their positions. How much activation energy do I need for that guy? How can I find out? Did I automate this? Did I make it percentage? Oh, the activation energy was for the merging stuff, right? Now I get it. Should be maybe 6. I think those snake thingies should be rather strong. Let's go and test. Balancing is pretty bad still. For the damage they do. I'm not sure if it's just a value problem or if the calculation is not good. I think the whole calculation needs an overhaul. Level up. You have a 0 off problem for the leveling. Now our little Orpling has no more and not used. Most rational thing would be to return to island right now. Start at islands. B100. Spirit here in the 18 is pretty high. Interesting, I have the waypoint here. Not good. That's this part. But maybe we want to fix this round. Yeah. With this, I would expect to level up. Did level up. So if I fight them again, what happens then? Does it make a double level up? Be bad. Pressed the wrong button. There is definitely something wrong there. Ah, I can't do this. We need the duo. Not, this is the duo. Goes to 100 again, which is not correct. Did we level up now or not? No, we didn't. Apparently. Just says we did, but we didn't. That's not correct, because at 0 we should be... Oh, we're at level 2. SP is wrong. Let's see. Right, these. I will not implement an autosave before the milestone. Now, I think we can still play and then see if we can actually beat the snacks. Because we should be able to, at least with a little challenge, beat them. If it's impossible, then I need to either nerf them or give the character some kind of tool to be able to kill them. Yeah. But also see if we can get to the next level. Also, I just saw that the remaining XP doesn't update. I get the key. Effect shaders were not compiled. Can get I have to disable developer map. I should not be able to teleport anywhere I want right now. See if this is beatable. God. Oh, this is scary. This guy will beat us up. Both of them missed. Now the shield is very useless here, but we can use this guy to make them lose their MP, and our guy can get MP. Man, Slime is very fast. And he tanked that thing. That's not good. Way too strong. I might need to do this. Art values art. Okay, they're now torn down. Ooh, this is really bad. Yeah, not winnable. We really have to find something. This guy is too strong, this guy is too weak against these. And should be able to just go to the next level without leveling. cannot place it. Because we're level 1. Her healing is way too strong. But what we can do is just strike it like this. We win. The same thing. I'm not sure if I should change this for the playtests. Maybe I should. Some more challenges. I think it's fine. And we won. Good. And maybe now place or play. Let's see if we can beat these. Probably not. Oh, they don't have MP anymore. They will kill us. There's no way we can survive this. Oh, he dodged it. Please hit so I can see. Yeah, why not? Maybe possible. just a big maybe. Now we can wait until they are healed. There we go. And try again. So they are a little challenging, but still doable if you level a little bit or get another Arpling. And you can also dodge them, you don't have to fight them, so maybe it is fine. But I should reward the player if they're actually able to beat them with more XP or something. Please don't hit. Ooh. They give 100 each. Well, it's maybe not that bad. Maybe I could increase it a little bit. So there's a trial opening there. Something to pick up here. We picked up a slimy. Now we have to interact with this. Well, this guy will always heal himself, I think. Almost no damage. That's a problem. But maybe we can switch to physical attack when EMP is low. And then the problem is, can we even hit? Nope. I think the way that this calculated is not good, and we almost make no damage, so we definitely have to find a way or change the values. Oh, we are hitting him. Yeah, this will not work. So let's write down. I don't know if I will be able to fix it this go, but I'd keep track on that. Let's tackle this one first. Is there a switch or something for this? I don't remember. It seems like we just put in these. There is no effect. That's worrying a lot. Oh, scene. You wrote. I didn't. When did you write, man? Oh my god. Are you still here? I don't even know. Can you tell me about the person? Wait. If 2 dies, does 1 or wait. That I already answered. I was like, what? Never mind. You're also not here, whatever. For a moment I was like, ah! I forgot the chat. think we have to deep dive into damage numbers. Not very simple. I think the way I'm doing it right now is maybe not optimal. I need to higher the numbers and have some more freedom to play around with them, I think. Because this guy is level 5 and it is getting 26 spirit. We should be able to still make some kind of damage, but we are not. Where do I see the damage? This is a harder problem. I cannot just fix it by doing whatever. I need to deep dive because I need to find out what the ranges are for some stats, what the levels possibly be between the opponents, where I would expect to have a challenge but still be able to beat it somehow or make some kind of dent. Because from level 1 I expect to be able to do something against level 5, like, I don't know, like 10 hits maybe. And if the defense stat is so high that I barely see any change, that's not good. Since we are in the beginning cannot just change our attacks, learn them. So maybe level 5 is just too much. Could be. Maybe level 3 is enough. I think I will have a big problem with damage calculation. Why can't this just magically disappear? Fix itself. That's not correct. That's the speed that goes up so high. The spirit isn't even that high. Level 5, it would be 15 plus 3. So 18. And what kind of magical attack go in there? 9 plus 5 is 14. Versus 18, could it be? Oh, we would need to, of course, get to there. Oh, there's fishy, now we can actually cast it. Let's see. Now I want to see why it doesn't get damage. Defense is just way too much. If it was 14 versus 14, 14 multiplied by 3 is 40 something. Then we would do only 3 damage. The stats are rather in the same thing, then defense does a lot of absorption. I think that's too much. I think this 3 is too much. Because if we go here, we have an attack of, I don't know, 1. This gets multiplied by 10 because of the power level. We have 10. And then the enemy has a defense of 1 is getting 3. And we get the damage of 3 HP. I guess the dimensions of the HP is important. How much HP has our shield? I wonder. We did only multiplied by 2. 140 divided by... even that is 36. Either I remove that 3 or power up the attack. Base damage. And not only that, I have the problem that with a PV, power value 10, will override it. Maybe we just need to power up this thing. Our Tomati just that weak? The HP could be. think here we see nothing because these are fires. The HP is extremely low, that's why they are dying so fast. I guess I just increased the power of the attack. I think the calculation itself isn't too bad. Probably. The attack itself would be just 1. And it is like same value versus same value. So 1 divided by 3. So if the attack power and the defense power are equal, that means it is a reduction of 66% of the damage. What to do then? I just increased the attack power? How much then? We have 18. Divide by 3. How much HP does our would guess that the trial or play has no modifiers. Okay. Then level 5. 65 HP. If I want to kill it in 10 hits with that level, I would need to make around 6 to 7 damage. We need to get to this value. So we would need to increase the thing to 25 power. Will of course have the side effect that the enemy is using that attack also does damage. 5. Just for the overrides. 5. So now the attack itself is pretty strong. This will wipe out a Tomati in one hit. Can our guy withstand this now? Hey, this is not bad. This is actually what I wanted for this guy. Even more actually, but that's fine. Now let's see if the shield can survive it. Yeah, this is good. The shield is just a little overpowered, but for the overpoweredness it makes good damage now. I need to lower the shield's values a little bit, because it's a level 1 spell, it shouldn't be that strong. Could maybe endure 4 of these fire attacks. But yeah, I think the slime is still a little too strong. Probably. I don't know. Weave. Tomati, not good. Back, try again. That warning is a problem. Because we were in the cave, I think. Maybe we also need a cave music. I mean, I can just stay here. Doesn't matter. Yes, this is the amount of damage I would expect from a level 1. He will still heal himself pretty strongly. So the idea would be, if you're level 1 and want to beat this, it will be just a long fight, but it is possible. You would just need to wait until he's done with everything. Or you level up yourself, of course. But maybe the MP is too much, but this is a boss type of guy. How much can he heal? I find out. see. The idea would be to make hard damage. So the fishy cannot heal properly. Healing itself would be this thing. $30. That's a lot. Need to nerf it. $30. Intelligence. We multiply by intelligence. Fishy's intelligence would be 28. Multiplied by 30. That's holy shit a lot of HP. 840 HP, that's divided by 3 would be still 180. That's way too much. We need to nerf it. Ability. Say 10. $180. I mean, maybe. I think even that is too much. This is more like it. Huge. I think because there is no defense going on playing with that thing, I need to make it really weak, but I think 5 is already not weak enough. But we have to play with it. I would guess we can still not beat the fish because it will out heal us still with the 40 whatever. Even for hard damage. much HP would I expect it to heal? Maybe 25? Or heart damage? So 75. How do we get to 75 with this? 28. Maybe this is way too strong, this multiplication. Maybe we have to nerf this down a little. The healing is way too overpowered right now. I'm not sure how to fix it. Dodge thing we still have to look, but I think the fire attack itself is now fine-ish. Maybe make this to a 30 even, make it very strong. Anything else? We never got confused. That's also something we maybe have to look into. Maybe this growth thing also needs some kind of duration. We'll have to see. Alright. For now, I will leave the rest for tomorrow. I mean, the rest is a huge chunk. And things we even didn't look at yet. But we will see. Step by step, we will balance it to some kind of game now. Anyway, everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye, monkey.